everyone, I Vaishali welcomes you again in Gokuldas Public School's structured syllabus based online classes. Now in our previous lectures we have understood how to compare 3-digit number. So let us have a quick revision how we compare 3-digit number. The very first rule is we check the digit. The number which will be having more digit will be the greater. Suppose if a number is having 2 digit and other number is having 3 digit, then the 3-digit number will be the greater number. Okay. And what if all the numbers will be having same number of digit, like both the numbers are having 3 digit, then what we will do? We will check for the highest place digit, like hundreds. And if both the hundreds are also same, then we will check for the tens, and if both the tens will also be same, then we will check for the ones. So I have given you work page number 18. So let us check have you done correctly or not. So very first number they have given are 325 and 456, and they put a circle over 456. Why they put a circle on 456? Because the 456 number is greater. Both the numbers are having 3 digits, so we'll check for the highest place value digit. Here highest place is hundreds, and hundreds at hundreds place 3 is there, and here 4 is there. So 4 is greater than 3. That is why 456 is greater. Now all the numbers are having 3 digits. So we are not going to check for rule number 1. We will start from rule number 2, that is the highest digit, highest place value digit. So here both the numbers are having 8 at hundreds place. So now what we will do? We will check for tens. So here 2 and here 3. Which one is greater, 2 or 3? Obviously 3 is greater. So 832 is the greater number. Now the next one is 746 and 647. Now we will check for the highest place value digit, that is hundreds, 7 and 6. Which one is greater? 7. So 746 will be the greater number. Now 983 and 893. We'll check for the hundreds. Here 9 and here 8. Which one is bigger? 9 or 8? 9 is bigger. So 983 will be the bigger number. Now the next one, 151 and 115. Which one is bigger? Now both the numbers are having 1 at hundreds place. So now what we will check? We will check for the tens. So here 5 at tens place and here 1 at tens place. So which one is bigger? 5 or 1? Obviously 5 is bigger. So 151 is the bigger number. Now the next one, 288 and 298. Here both the numbers are having 3 digits and both the numbers are having 2 at hundreds place. So now what we will do? We will check for the tens. Here 8 at tens place and here 9 at tens place. 8 or 9. Which one is bigger? 9. So 298 is the bigger number. All the things we have learned in previous lecture, we are just having a quick revision. So now 199 and 191. Which number is bigger? For that we will check for the number of digits. Both the numbers are having 3 digits. So now we will check for the place values. First we will check the highest. Here highest place value is 100. So both the numbers are having 1 at hundreds place. Now what we will do? We will check for the tens. Now again both the numbers are having 9 at tens place. Now what we will do? We will check for the ones. Here 9 and here 1 at ones place. So which one is bigger? 9 or 1? 9. So 199 is the bigger number. Next 555 and 559. Now both the numbers are having 3 digits and both the numbers are having 5 at hundreds place. Now we will check for the tens. Both the numbers are having 5 at tens place 2. Now what we will do? We will check for ones place. Here ones place is having 5 digit and here ones place is having digit 9. So which one is bigger, 5 or 9? 9. Yes. So 559 is the bigger number. Last one, 709 and 790. So again both the numbers are having 3 digit and both the numbers are having 7 800s place. So we will check for the tens. Here 0 is situated under tens place and here 9. So which one is bigger, 0 or 9? 9 is bigger, so 790 is the bigger number. So I hope you have checked your answer with mine. Now in our previous lecture, we learned about 3 signs: greater than sign, smaller than sign, and equal to sign. So let us have a quick revision of that too. Which sign is this? Smaller than sign. And this one, greater than sign. And this is equals to sign. For our understanding, we can do like this. This is having 1 point and this side is having 2 points. So 1 is greater than 2. So the number which will be greater, we will 2 point side towards the greater number. And the number they will be equal, we will put equal to sign there. So let us see some questions on page number 19 based on greater than, less than or equal to. So the very first they have given is 104 and 190, and they have done for you, they have put this sign. Why this sign? 104, 190. Both the signs are both the numbers are having 1 at hundreds place. Now we'll check for tens, 0 and 9. 9 is greater than 0. It means 190 is bigger number. So we will put 2 point or open mouth sign towards 190. Next, 204 and 140. So which one is bigger? We will check for the hundredth place. Here 2 is there and here 1 is there. 2 or 1, which one is bigger? 2 is bigger. So we will put this open mouth sign towards 204. The next one is 190 and the other number is also 190. Now both the numbers are having 3 digits, so we will check for the hundreds. Now both the numbers are having 1 at hundreds place. Now we will check for the tens. Now both the numbers are having 9 at tens place. So what we will do? We will check for ones. Now again both the numbers are having 0 at ones place. It means both the numbers are having 3 digits and all the 3 digits are same. It means number is equal. Now the next one, 295 and 300. Now again we will check for the hundreds place. Here 2 is there and here 3. So which one is bigger, 2 or 3? Yes, 3. So we will put this open mouth sign towards 300. Next one, 180 and 165. Now both the numbers are having 1 at hundreds place. So we will check for the tens. Here 8 is under tens place and here 6. So 8 or 6, which one is bigger? 8. So we will put this open mouth sign towards 180. Now the next one is 160, 160. Now again both the numbers are having 3 digits and all the 3 numbers are same. It means the number is equal. 160 is equals to 160. Now 408 and 580. Now we'll check for the hundreds place. Here 4 and here 5. So which number is bigger, 4 or 5? 5. So we'll put this open mouth sign towards 580. Now 208 and 195. Now which one is bigger, 2 or 1? 2. It means we'll put this open mouth sign or greater than sign towards 208. 480 and 480. Now again both the numbers are having 3 digits and all the three digits are same. It means both the numbers are equal. Now the remaining you can do by your own. Now before, after and between numbers. before, after and between numbers. What are they? So suppose I have written, let us take a number 178. So we have taken a number 178. So when we remove 1 from the number, that means we are counting backward. If we are removing 1 from the number, it means we are counting backward. So if I remove 1 from 178, I get the number before 178. So the before number of 178 is 177. And if I remove 1 more from 177, then I get the number, the before number of 177. And again, if we will keep counting backward, we will get the before numbers. Now, I hope you all are understood about before number. Before number is just backward counting. If in backward counting also we remove 1 and for getting backward number we just remove 1. Now, after numbers. After numbers are just opposite of before numbers. Let us have a number 151. So, if we take a number 151, so for after number we just have to add 1 more, like forward counting. After numbers are like forward counting. So if I want to get the after number of 151, I will just add 1 more. And if I want to get the after number of 152, I will just add 1 more and get 150. If I want to get the after number of 153, I will simply add 1 and get 154, and so on. So before numbers are backward counting and after numbers are forward counting. So what about between numbers? What about between numbers? Just think about it. Now you have understood after number, before number. Now between numbers. So the number which lies in between two numbers is called between number. So 157 is the between number of 156 and 158. Let us take another example, like 162 is between number of 161 and 163. So the number which lies between two numbers, this one and this one, is called between number. So now coming towards the books exercise, page number 20. So 117, here we are writing before numbers, here between numbers, and here after numbers. So 117, 118 and 119. So before number of 119 and 18 is 170. So so what is the between number here is 118, and what is the after number here is 119. So if I write 435, 436, so what will be the next number? 435, 436, and our after number will be 437. Now the next one is 643 blank and 645. So what is the between number of 643 and 645 is 644. Now I hope you are able to do all these questions of page number 20.